is it hard time loving myself? That you were having hard times loving yourself and you felt very sensitive. Yes. Me also, for me, it took years to start loving myself. More and more, more and more. And in the beginning I was not conscious of that. In the beginning I was practicing asceticism and austerities. And I had hurt my body also with all of this. And now I see that the most part, because I was practicing it, was of my kind of unconscious hatred towards myself. Not being able to love myself, my body. Like I would see this body as an obstacle to my spiritual growth. I thought that if you want to become spiritual, you have to transcend the body. And you can transcend the body by ignoring it. And ignoring it, and you can ignore it by practicing austerities. And it is completely false. But at that time I didn't understand that. So, and even later, even when I came back from the Himalayas, when I was in Argentina, I was thinking that I love myself, that I had accepted myself. But as the time went by, I realized that I had not. Because when you start to love yourself more, you see that in the past you didn't love yourself enough. And I would see that I felt so sensitive while being with other people, and I felt bad while being with other people, and I would blame myself for the way I would be with other people. And it was because I didn't appreciate and didn't respect myself enough. But this loving myself I learned with time, and now I can see that I'm much better with myself. Like in the past I wouldn't. In the past I would feel bad to sleep. In the past I could not sleep, for example, if there is a person in the room that is not sleeping. I was super practicing austerities. I would not let myself eat good food and yes, but now I feel now much better. And how did it happen? I don't know. With time, with meditation, with life itself, I learned to love myself more. And also, I can say that there was one woman in Buenos Aires. I spoke about her one time, and we stayed together, and this was a very beautiful experience. And from her also, she taught me to love myself. You know, when other person really loves you, that teaches you to love yourself as well. So I'm very grateful to her. I have learned a lot from her.